private jets, taking trips. Come back at 6, wake me and your child. And then won't lay today, make me wonder who you might have been playing with. Makes me wonder who you think.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today is gonna be my first baking vlog. So I'm gonna be making brownies. I'm supposed to be making cake, but I'm not gonna be making cake. I'm gonna be making brownies. So let's go to my pantry to go take the brownie box, because I'm gonna be using the brownie mix. I'm not trying to make it from scratch. So let's go. So my pantry is kind of messy. So right here, I'm gonna be using this box of bread. So I already got the brownies. So let me read the ingredients. We're gonna need 3 tablespoons of water, vegetable oil, 2 large eggs. I'm gonna need a pan, but I'm gonna add some stuff because I love the way I'm making a brownie. So let's get started. I'm gonna go get my oil and my what am I gonna call them? I don't know. Let's go. I'm gonna go get my eggs. I'm gonna put I'm gonna use butter. So I'm gonna put butter and sugar together, and then I'm gonna put it in the microwave. Let's go. So now I'm gonna put the butter in here, and then I'm gonna use this size of sugar so I can put it in the microwave. Then the butter. Okay, I think this size of butter should be enough. Right here, I just hope it's not too much. So I'm gonna put the sugar. Then I'm gonna kind of mix it a little bit. So let's put it in the microwave. It's like this. We're gonna see the half look. Okay, let's put it in the microwave. I'm gonna put it for 1:04. So let's go. So while I'm waiting for my butter, I'm gonna go take my eggs, and then I'm gonna mix the brownie already. So let's mix the egg and the brownie. So let's take it out. Damn, this is what I wanted. Let me show you. So this is the butter and sugar, but I'm thinking I want to put milk, but I feel like the sugar is too much, but I like it like that. So let's make the batter. I'm gonna take this out, and then I'm gonna take this and put it in there. Yeah, I don't need all this peel shit. Okay, let's make the brownies. This is it. Okay. Damn, it's so hard. I'm not trying to go get the scissors. Let's put the stuff in there. Okay, so I want to put the egg now. I don't need this anymore. So I'm going to put the egg. I think I want to put like 3 eggs. Yo, I messed up with this one. It's okay. Clumsy, 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 boo. Okay. I got this right. And then I'm gonna take the third one. So I'm putting 3 eggs. And then I wanna pour this. Sugar. Damn, that's a lot of sugar. I'm so sorry, y'all. I'm gonna put water instead of milk, because I don't really like milk. But if I change my mind, y'all gonna see in the video. So well, let me put, I wanna try to use this nut mix whisk. Please, I be trying so hard. I have like 7 videos, not shorts. Y'all haven't even taken me to 100 views. and I keep posting, but right now I feel so bad because y'all are not even subscribing. Y'all not like, don't watch my video. Cause why did I start my stuff since the beginning of this year, and then I only have 139, and then I'll see 140 today, and then I feel 139 tomorrow, and I'll be like, is YouTube playing with me? And my watch hours dropped so bad, and I'm not even joking. It dropped so bad. But yo, the next video I'm gonna be posting is when I go. I have a sneaker, but the 8th grade prom, so I'm gonna be going to from my dress. I think I'm gonna use a whisk because this shit is not mixing no shit. It's not mixing it. I'm getting so frustrated. I want it so smooth. Let's go take the whisk. Whew, damn. Let's put. I think I want to use the hand mixer, but I'm not gonna put it. I just want to put it in. Okay, let's put it in my oven. I'm gonna put it to bake and then start. So my oven is preheating. So let's start this mess before my mom crash out, cause I'm messing this place up. Okay, I think it's ready. So let's put it in the oven. So let's put it in properly. I'm gonna show you when I finish putting it in there, and then I'm gonna, pour the stuff in the pan. I'm getting tired already. So let's put it in. I don't know how to do that, but I don't care. Let's do the shit. I'm getting so tired. So I'm gonna be putting this so it doesn't get sticky. Damn. So y'all can see it properly. Yeah, that's it. Okay, us put the batter in it. So I'm gonna be pouring it right now. You see that? Oh my gosh. I can't wait for my baby to be ready. I'm not trying to leave any bit. That's the African in me, bro. I'm making this video Friday, May 22nd. And I'm gonna be posting this maybe Sunday. Cause tomorrow I have a lot of stuff to do. So let's put it in the oven, let's put it in. It's not us, so I'm gonna put it right here. Okay, let me spray a little bit of this so it doesn't get sticky. I forgot to put that while I wasn't there. Let's close it up. So let's put a 30 minutes timer on. While we're waiting, let's chill. I'm gonna take a watermelon break. So while we're waiting for my brownie, I'm gonna be having watermelon. But with some lemon, I'm gonna squeeze some lemon in. But I think this is lime. Cause I want to. And my mom always put it. And it's so good. It's so good. It's so hard. Y'all can say it's so hard to squeeze. You see that? I'm gonna look at that. Ow. This is gonna get agua. The second one, it's not coming out. Let's enjoy this. I have 25 minutes left. Okay. I'm gonna end this now and go watch Netflix. I love my hedges. I have different colors. I have a pink, I have a black, I have a purple, I have a blue, I have different colors. But I love this one. And I'm getting better with my hedges. That's an OTD. My bad. I don't know. This blue jacket, like a polo, it's from Old Navy. I'm wearing a whole Navy shirt. This apron, my mama kitchen. I decided to use this place because it has a cute background. Yeah. So guys, let's cut it. So I'm gonna cut it like this. It's kind of hard. And it's ready, guys. See this? I'm gonna try one. Guys, it's ready. Let me take a bite. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. It's so chewy. It's hard. I just so good. So, this is the end of this video. We need to come to the end of the baking vlog. Drum roll. It's so good. I wish I could ask my sister to take a bite and then show you a little bit. But I'm not gonna go close. Okay. Thank you guys for watching. Bye. Love you. See you in my next video.